Hi all, welcome to my channel. So let's discuss some of the topics today. We'll see what are the topics we are going to discuss now. First, India is much better placed than many countries on COVID-19 casualties, PM Modi has said. Share profiteering by center on fuel price hikes sessions in now. Health Ministry adds steroid dexamethasone to COVID-19 treatment protocol. Infosys chairman said we are all well positioned to tide over COVID-19 pandemic. Special MSME focus in new industrial policy says BS Yediyurappa. Home Minister Amit Shah visits 10,000 bed COVID care facility in Delhi. Asian takes position against China's vaccine claims. So now let's discuss this topic one by one. We'll go to the first topic. As the COVID-19 cases breach the 5 lakh mark, Prime Minister Narendra Modi advised against letting your guard down and the need to be even more careful now. While the group of ministers chaired by Health Minister Harshavardhan had deliberations on the strategy to counter the pandemic. Asserting that powered by corona warriors, India is firmly fighting COVID 19. Modi also said earlier this year some people had predicted that the impact of the virus in India would be very severe, but due to the lockdown and many initiatives taken by the government, as well it being a people driven fight, India is much better placed than many other nations. India's recovery rate is rising. PM Rahul Gandhi has accused PM Modi of being silent. He said he has surrendered and is refusing to fight the pandemic. The Prime Minister, however, noting that any loss of life is unfortunate due to COVID 19 or otherwise, asserting that India's death per million due to the virus is under 12. To place this in context, the death rate in Italy is 574 per million. The figures in America, Britain, Spain, and France are also much higher than India. Lakhs of villages home to 85 crore people remain almost untouched by coronavirus, PM Modi has said. Appreciating the country's people-driven fight that has given good results so far, Modi chose to remind everyone. But can we let our guard down? No, not at all. In fact, you have to be even more careful now. Wearing masks, social distancing, avoiding crowded places, regularly hand washing hands, these remain important. Next topic is sheer profiteering by center. Former Union Finance Minister Yashwant Sinha on Saturday alleged that Centre is resorting to profiteering by increasing fuel prices on a daily basis. On one hand, the Centre announced Rs 20 crore lakh package to uplift the economy, while on the other hand, it robbed people who travel by motorbikes, scooters, and other vehicles, he said. The diesel rates were hiked by 21st trade day on Saturday, and petrol prices have been increased 20 occasions in 3 weeks. He said there are occasions when the price hike in the petrol and diesel becomes imperative, but I can tell you on basis of my experience that it is nothing but sheer profiteering in today's circumstances. It is unfortunate and saddening to know that the government is resorting to profiteering, he said. Sinha said it is well known that crude oil price is soft on the international market. Next, Health Ministry adds steroid to COVID-19 treatment. India on Saturday approved the use of widely available drug dexamethasone to treat COVID-19 patients with moderate and severe symptoms after clinical trials proved its efficacy to reduce mortality. The Health Ministry revised its clinical management protocol COVID-19 to include steroid drug dexamethasone as an alternative to methylprednisolone to treat COVID-19 patients. India had 5 lakh COVID-19 patients on Saturday morning after the highest single-day spike of 18,000 new infections on Friday. The death toll too shot up by 384, taking the total fatalities to 15,685. The revised clinical management protocol said that dexamethasone, which is used to reduce inflammation in other diseases such as arthritis, had been cleared for patients in need of oxygen support and those who have excessive inflammatory response. The drug has been tested on hospitalized patients with COVID-19 in the RECOVER clinical trial and was found to have benefits for critically ill patients and has shown to reduce mortality by about one-third for patients on ventilators and by about one-fifth for patients being maintained on oxygen therapy, an official statement said. Next, Infosys chairman said we are well positioned to tide over the crisis. Allaying fears of investors, Bangalore-based tech giant Infosys on Saturday said the investments made over the last few years have positioned the company well. Speaking at company's annual general meeting, Infosys chairman said over the last few years we have made huge investments in making Infosys stronger and more resilient while bringing agility and speed in everything we do. The investment have positioned us very well, and this is demonstrated in the way we are responding to COVID-19 pandemic, he said. While noting that extraordinary and unprecedented pandemic impacted every country, business and individual, he exuded confidence that company would overcome the global price crisis by combining the scale, brand and relationships of a large company with the speedy responsiveness and agility of a startup. Special MSME focus in new industrial policies, says Yediyurappa. Karnataka's new industrial policy will have a special focus on the SME sector, Chief Minister Yediyurappa said on Saturday, while assuring small businesses that the government will give them a friendly investment climate. Yediyurappa spoke at the virtual launch of a report titled Improving Economic Dynamism and Accelerating MSME Growth by Global Alliance for Mass Entrepreneurship, which works as an industry body for micro, small and medium enterprises. Karnataka will soon launch its new industrial policy. The policy has special focus on encouraging the MSMEs to become more competitive at the global stage, Yediyurappa said. Next, Home Minister Amit Shah visits 10,000 COVID care facility. Union Minister Amit Shah on Saturday visited a newly created COVID-19 care facility with over 10,000 beds in the national capital and reviewed arrangements. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal accompanied Shah during his visit to the sprawling facility in South Delhi. During his visit, the Home Minister took stock of the preparedness of the facility, Home Minister officials said. The facility on the Radha Soma Satsang Beach campus in the Chhatrapur area will have two wings, a COVID care center where asymptomatic positive cases will be treated and dedicated COVID healthcare center. The Indian Tibetan Border Police has been given the responsibility for the management of the center and acts as the nodal agency. ASEAN takes position against China's vast sea claims. Southeast Asian leaders said a 1982 UN Oceans Treaty should be the basis of sovereign rights and entitlements in South China Sea, in one of the strongest remarks opposing China's claim to virtually the entire disputed waters on historical grounds. The leaders of the Association of the Southeast Asian Nations took the position in a statement issued by Vietnam Saturday on behalf of 10 nation bloc. Asian leaders held their annual summit by video on Friday, with the coronavirus pandemic and the long-raging territorial disputes high on the agenda. We reaffirm that the 1982 UNCLOS is the basis for determining maritime entitlements, sovereign rights, jurisdiction, and legitimate interest over maritime zones, the Asian statement said. The leaders were referring to the Nations Convention of the Law of the Sea, a 1982 international agreement that defines the rights of nations to the world's oceans and demarcates stretches of waters called exclusive economic zones where coastal states are given the right to exclusively tap fishery and fuel resources. Chinese officials did not immediately comment on the statement, but three Southeast Asian diplomats told the Associated Press that it marked a significant strengthening of the regional bloc assertion of the rule of law in disputed region that has long been regarded as an Asian flashpoint. So, thank you for watching this video. Please tune in for next videos. If you like this video, kindly comment and share it. Once again, thank you.